If you've got a baby on the way and you're hunting for a nursery chair that's comfortable, looks good, and won't drain your wallet, this modern rocking chair from Amazon is a solid pick. Now, quick tip before you start when you're putting this together, I'd recommend unboxing and getting the main frame assembled in the garage or somewhere you don't mind a mess. There's a lot of packaging and wrapping around the parts, so doing that first keeps all the mess out of the nursery. Then just bring it into the room to attach the base and finish it up. Trust me, it's way less hassle that way. If you're not handy, just follow my steps and you should be able to build this chair fairly easy. Stick around till the end of the video so you can see how it came out. So we're almost done putting this together. Just an FYI, the directions could be a little bit better, but all in all, it was fairly easy to assemble. So yeah, if you need a comfy spot for those long baby nights, this one's been a win. Easy to set up, looks great in the nursery, and doesn't break the bank. All right, I'm gonna go test out this footrest for a while. We'll see you on the next project.